comics chef, sushi chef, plumber. We have cashier, sales assistant, cleaners, kitchen porters, maintenance personal laborers. If you are serious about working abroad, this is one of the best chances you will ever get. In this 2025, Malta is officially welcoming foreign workers, and it doesn't matter if you have high skills or no experience at all. There is something for everyone. Yes, you can live, work, and earn money in one of the most beautiful and peaceful countries in Europe. In this very video, I'll walk you through the entire process of how to move to Malta and how to find job. If that is what you are looking for, then stick to the end of this video and do not skip it. I repeat, do not skip it. Else you're going to struggle while trying to apply all by yourself. But before we jump into this video properly, tap on the subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our future updates. The first step you need right now is a solid CV and a short, clear cover letter. Customize it and make sure you meet at least 90% of the job requirement before applying. Once a company in Malta offers you a job, they will apply for your work permit through Identity Malta. They will need the following documents from you: your signed job contract, passport copy, your CV, and proof of work experience. And most importantly, they will need your qualifications or certificates, health insurance, and a completed application form. The application fee is usually €280, and it usually takes around 2 to 3 months to process. After your work permit is approved, you will need to apply for the D visa in your home country. Once that is approved, boom, you are ready to book your flights to Malta. When you arrive Malta, you will register with Job Plus and get residence permit and receive your tax ID and social security number. From that point on, you are legally allowed to live and work in Malta. But here is the deal: it takes planning, so don't wait until the last minute. Start preparing now. Like this video, share it with your friend, and leave a comment if you want help with job sites and CV templates. So if you are ready, guys, come with me as I walk you through the process of how to get a job with visa sponsorship in Malta. Let's go. As you can see on my screen, you can see it says Malta Employment Agency, and you have the home, services, careers, contacts, work permit support. We're going to be looking at the career section, but before then, scroll down, and there's something I want to show you guys. It says, based in Malta, our recruitment agency specializes in offering employment opportunities to foreigners interested in working in Malta. Are you seeing it, guys? Now, after you've seen that, there's no other thing apart from clicking on the career section. So you click on the career section, and when you come to the career section, you have the career list. Are you getting it? So you can see we have pastry comics chef, sushi chef, plumber. We have cashier, sales assistant, cleaners, kitchen porters, maintenance personal laborers. We have painter, food beverage supervisor, housekeeping supervisor, receptionist, care workers, shift stewarding, pool beach attendant, barista, public area cleaners, chef de partie. So now, how do you apply? So to apply, what you need is for you to send your CV to this. You see it? Send your CV to this email on your screen, and they will get in contact with you. Are you getting it, guys? So please take notes. It's very important you apply as soon as you see this video, okay? The next one on the screen is this one that says newmadras.com.mt. So when you come here, you look at the contact us. You want to apply for jobs, so you're going to find a way to contact them. You just send them an email. If you are someone who is looking to work in food industry, this is where you contact them and send your email. Send them an email, okay? We have this one, it's called the greens.com.mt, the green supermarket. In this place, you can apply for jobs. How do you get it? It's very simple. All you need to do is to go to contact us. Then you fill this, you put your name, first name, last name, email, then you send them a message, and that is it, guys. Are you getting it? So if you want to go through the HRO department, you can use this email, HRO department, which is this one. You use this hro@greens.com.mt to apply for jobs. All right. You send them a mail and indicate your interest through your CV, okay? The next one is orc.org.mt. So what you need to do is just for you to contact them and get it done. So to contact them for vacancies, you click on vacancies, and once you click on it, you scroll down, you will see that they have vacancies for cleaner. So you use this email to write them. Ask me is another site you can use. So when you come to this site, you click on careers. So now you're in career section. You look for the one you need: delivery persons, training brand executive, truck maintenance assistant, field sales supervisor, chef stacker, open vacancies. So whichever one you're interested in, you click on it to apply. Let's assume you are applying for these open vacancies. You click on open vacancies and you fill the form. You see it says apply for this job. Do you want to join? Are you saying it? Do you want to join? Ask me, but can't see a vacancy that suits your profile. So what you need to do is just to click on apply for the job. So now you're going to apply for this job because you did not see a job that suits you. Okay, so now you click on apply for these jobs and make sure you fill this form. After filling this form, you attach your resume, which is also known as your CV, cover letter, and any relevant website like your LinkedIn profile page. You just put the link there, then fill the form to the end and submit your application. Guys, lastly, if you want to work on the yacht, so this is for you. So you have to click on where we have contact us. But before that, if you have not visited the career section before, just click on the career section and you will see the vacancies. Ask a question, join our team, work with us. So if you know how to maintain boats, are you a marine technician, marine electrician, office administrator assistant, boat maintenance, this is the job duty. Are you saying it's any of them that you want to look at the job duties? Then what you need to do is to fill this form, put your name, surname, mobile number, email, job that you're applying for. You state the name. If it's marine engineer, then you put your CV, upload it, and you submit. So guys, I've come to the end of this video. Please leave all your questions in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to respond to you. See you on the next one. Bye for now.